Perhaps the greatest asset of a person is his faith. It helps him in warding off evil. The greater the level of faith, the deeper is one's relationship with the Almighty. Like a lamp, faith illuminates the places where darkness resides. A true believer is a person who not only benefits from the radiance of his faith, but also helps illuminate the path of others. The glow of faith he carries with him needs not only to be fueled, but also to be protected from the onslaughts of adverse winds. To constantly think about enhancing the level and extent of our faith is something which pleases the Almighty and which earns us His special help in this regard. So I'd like to suggest a few measures which may prove helpful in this matter. First, we need to take time out regularly, every day, to study the Quran with specific stress on its meanings. Second, we need to develop a habit of gradually memorizing parts of the Quran. This will make us feel closer to God and will also make our prayers more involving. Needless to say, we should have an idea of all that we are reciting in our prayer. Third, we should memorize the supplications of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and remember to recite them at appropriate times of the day. 4. We should try to spend as much time as is possible in the company of pious people. It is difficult to fight evil, and more so when one is alone. Environment makes a great difference. The cleaner it is, the more the strength to subdue evil. The fifth suggestion is that whenever we feel depressed or low, we need to recount the blessings of God which we have and which others around us may not have. With the vicissitudes of life, one is bound to face trying circumstances. One needs to pull oneself up and fight one's way through. Remembering the blessings of God in such times keeps a person in a positive frame of mind and gives him the opportunity to earn more reward by being patient and steadfast. May God always bless us with the concern of increasing our faith. This in itself is a sign of faith.